Hospitals in the UK have started receiving batches of the newly approved Oxford AstraZeneca vaccine in preparation for its rollout on Monday. Some 530,000 doses of the treatment will be available. Teaching unions and charities have called for the UK government to postpone the reopening of schools for at least a fortnight over fears for staff amid rising cases. Elderly residents at a care home in Rome received the COVID-19 vaccine on Saturday, in a second round of vaccinations following those for health workers last week. Italy is delaying opening its ski resorts until the 18th of January after regional authorities asked for more time to meet coronavirus rules. The government's Scientific Technical Committee said that crowds created a minimum high risk. Despite France being criticised for their slow start to administer the vaccine, health workers over the age of 50 are receiving it in Paris, and the pace is increasing. When I see that we've received more than 100 phone calls in a few hours from health professionals who wanted to be vaccinated, so there is a drive, it's absolutely necessary to be able to respond very quickly. Millions in France face tougher restrictions from Saturday night to combat the rate of COVID-19 cases, including a 12-hour curfew in 15 areas. The country has announced 157 more deaths on Saturday. And the Greek government has announced a further extension until January the 10th of the strict containment imposed on the country for the past 2 months, putting an end to the easing of measures permitted for the festive season. A nighttime curfew running from 9 o'clock in the evening until 5 o'clock in the morning will be reintroduced.